Hi guys, what's up? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Limit Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how you can install Canon LBP2900B driver in Windows 11. So probably if you have already disk or driver of Canon LBP2900 and if you try to install it in your machine, you will probably get some error that this particular version of software or driver is not compatible with this operating system. This is what probably you will be getting. So to fix this particular issue or to install this software or driver in your machine, all you have to do is that you just have to go to this link. I've just given this link in the description box from where you can just visit this link, and you have to choose the operating system from here. You can choose since Windows 11 option is not present over here, so as per your system requirement you can choose it. So I'm gonna choose it Windows 10 x64. So this will be the compatible version in Windows 11 if it is a 64-bit mode. So you can also check the bit of your system from here. You can just check it from here that what particular bit operating system is installed in your machine, and accordingly you can download it. So you have to choose this Windows x64 over here and just click on search, and now you just have to download the driver from here. I've already given this link in the description box. You can download it from there. And now just open this particular application and extract it somewhere, unzipped at this location and x64, and this is the setup file. So all you have to do is that now just go to control panel, and here you can see that we have the unspecified device as Canon capped USB device, and what all we have to do is that just click on add a device or add a printer over here, and we just have to choose this printer that I want isn't listed. And here all you have to do is you just have to click on this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and choose any port over here. So I'm just gonna choose USB 001 option over here, and I'll just click on next. And here we have just downloaded the driver from the Canon website, so we're gonna choose that particular installer from here. So we're gonna choose have disk and we just browse it. So we have saved or unzipped that particular file in the downloads folder. So we're gonna go and we're gonna choose that particular location over here, and we're gonna choose it here, and now next, yes, and now just click on printer test page, and from here you can just see that Canon LBP2900 is working absolutely fine. It is just trying to print it. So this is how you can fix this issue, guys. So I've not inserted any paper in the in the printer tray. That's why I'm getting this pop-up, since the driver is already installed. And you can see also over here that as it is coming over here, that is Canon LBP2900. So this is how you can fix the issue, guys. I hope this was helpful to you all. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, stay happy and love to learn new life starting technical difficulties. Bye bye.